Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. Today I wanted to go through different liquids in the online repository for Thea Render. I'm using SketchUp Pro 2018. So when it comes to creating a lake, a swimming pool, or an ocean, you have many options. You have like ocean foam water, and you have natural pool water. You have your foamy water, hot tub water, aqua, and let's check this section. Another swimming pool water, regular just water, I guess, and ocean foam. So let's just see how these look rendered. So let's just go ahead and start. Let's start with ocean foam water. Curious about this one. So we'll just throw that in there. Let's just see what we get. I don't know what we're gonna get, but we'll see here. So okay, if you look at the profile here, you see, you get the waves up and down. And this is again what was the ocean foam? Yeah, ocean foam water, number one. And there's another one in here in the online repository. I think it's like number 6 or something, but we'll try that too to see the difference between those two. But yeah, so this is like an ocean water. So if you're doing a scene or rendering, maybe beach scene or something, this may be something you want to use. This isn't fully rendered, but we'll just go ahead and go to the next one. So let's try this here. So next we got natural pool water. Take a look at this. Okay. And I've used this before in previous videos. I really like this natural pool water. You see in that profile there, it gives you that realistic wave. Um, but this one, if you could still see over here the ocean water, and these aren't fully rendered, but if they're fully rendered, it'll look a lot better. But if you can see, you can see how this is more drastic. The wave is more drastic because it is ocean water. So and here's the swimming pool realistic water. Let's keep moving. Alright, let's see what foamy water looks like. Interesting. I don't know if it's like dishwater or I don't know. Let's see what this looks like. Try to keep this one in just to compare the two. Um, and I'll do a final rendering of all of them. But let's go ahead and see this. This is interesting. Alright, not too pleased with this one. If you look at the profile, it's just a straight edge. It's just really flat. Um, Graphically, just looking at this portion, you start to see some detail and it kind of forms a 3D or gives a 3D feeling, but against the wall there, it's just a straight flat. Yeah, I don't really like that one, but let's move on. Let's try. We tried natural. Let's try aqua. Alright. See what this looks like. Alright. Okay. So if you're doing like I'd say, and you could still use this for swimming pools if you want, but for me, I would use this if I'm doing a scene, say like a dining table scene or just a kitchen scene, and I want to show a glass of water using the clear glass that they have in Thea Render, and adding a module inside the glass and giving it this texture of just water or aqua. I think that's pretty. I think it looks really good actually, and it's not even fully rendered, but I can see what it's gonna be. It looks pretty good. But again, you have that flat profile. But that's fine with this one. I can see me using this one more often. Don't really see where I would use this one, but let's move on to the next one. Alright, let's see what we got next. Alright, let's move to this section. Okay, so we have swimming pool water, and we've already used natural swimming pool, but let's just try this swimming pool water and see what we get. Okay, we changed. Alright, let's just go ahead and render this and see what it looks like. Okay. And again, that flat feeling here, not like the natural swimming pool water, where you get the waves. It's pretty flat, but I like the texture still, just like the aqua. And it's kind of similar actually, so I can see myself using this. And again, these aren't fully rendered right now, but I'll fully render them at the end and show you all everything in comparison. All right, let's go to this one. I don't know, I had to minute laid out. Let's see, it's just regular water. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be similar to what we just saw previously, but let's just see. I like it though. It's not as blue as that one, which is good. Gives me another option. I really like this. It's still flat around the perimeter, but still, I like this. All right, let's move on. So I went through not all the liquids. There was some interesting stuff in there. So we have jam. We have olive oil. I want to try this jam. So let's try this jam. Okay. Here. Let's see what this looks like rendered. Keep forgetting it's down there. Alright, let's go ahead and render jam. Wow. Wow. So this is jam. I guess jello, yes, or not jello, but jam. It looks like strawberry jam or interesting. So I guess you can use this if you're setting up maybe a dining table and you want to show jam um, in a glass or in some type of storage unit for food or jam. Show it in a jar, a mason jar. It's actually pretty interesting. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. So what I'm going to do now, let's try one more. I want to see what this olive oil looks like. Which one do I want to try? This one looks like it has a lot of texture to it. No, it says extra. Let's try this. Whoops. Let's see what we get there. Alright, let's try. And this is the olive oil. Let's see what we get. Okay, we get olive oil. Um, yeah, you can pretty much see what that's going to be. So let's go here, and I'm just gonna, these last two definitely, I don't really care too much. Oh, actually, these last four. Um, what I'm really curious about comparing is the ocean water and then the foamy water and the natural swimming pool water with the other ocean water. So what I'm gonna do is pick an angle, something like this, or maybe this side here, and I'll just render this scene here to get a good comparison. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.